We're going to use this Owens Corning Formula 150 with an R value of 5 on the floor. It seems to be more dense and should do well under the subfloor.
Made to put under concrete slabs.
And on the ceiling, we're going to be using this R Max Thermosheet. It has a little bit higher R value, so it should work really well on the ceiling.
Okay, this right here is the spray adhesive that we're going to use on the insul board going to the ceiling. This is 3M high strength 90, a little more expensive, but you got to be careful and read what it says. Some of these things will melt this, so you want one that's not going to melt this. That's okay to spray on this type of insul board. So just make sure you check that, because cheaper price if you buy it and it melts your insul board ain't gonna do you any good anyhow. So check into it. So here we got our plywood that's gonna go on top of this high density stuff here. And we're gonna screw it down with 2-inch screws down through the existing 3/4 inch deck we got. And what would happen instead of 3/4, because weight wise, it's like where's it gonna go to? It's not gonna be able to squish. And then the same thing, you got little knobby holes, so we got the wood filler to fill the holes before we put down our wood flooring. And then I'm going to glue the plywood to this, and the same thing. This one's made for gluing foam board, so you just got to watch what you're doing when you get things, because a couple of the other brands said no. So just watch what you get. And this one was actually cheaper than the other ones versus the spray adhesive was more expensive, so you just never know. So just read the labels and make sure you do it right.